The Matco Toolbox Factory in Jamestown, New York is one of the largest employers in the area, with 130 full-time associates and 30 temporary toolbox builders working 2 shifts, 6 days a week. With the new Revel line, Matco wanted to really shake up the toolbox market and drew on many different styling cues, like modern car design, LED lighting, and even some mechanical innovations to come up with their new Revel line. But the main thing they did was ask people who use them, like you and me.
We looked for technicians, professional technicians that have been in the business, not only new guys, but guys that have been in the business for 20 years. And we asked them, hey, what do you like? What's exciting to you? What do you want to see in a toolbox? What kind of features do you need? What kind of stylish things that you want in it? And what's new and what's going to be in your toolbox in the future?
The new look and design was an instant hit. Now, even though Matco changed how we look at and how they build a toolbox, the solid foundation they're built on didn't change. It's still good old-fashioned steel. Brooke Colley has been designing Matco toolboxes in Jamestown for 11 years now. But it's not just all CAD and CAM work on a computer that makes what is already a sturdy toolbox that much better.
So one of the things we did was we got a group together and kind of brainstormed some ideas and looked at them structurally, did some equations and figured out strength-wise what's going to be our best bet. Then we actually go through and make some out of sheet metal samples and then put weight on them, run them over impediments and see where the strength is and which one is stronger, what's going to give us the strongest toolbox out there.
The construction process starts with as many as 30 different steel panels. Workers are using computer-controlled presses to bend the panels in all the right places. Once the panels are bent, they move on to an area called case cell, where the panels are welded together to form the box's partitions.
All these parts come together at the lead table. The panels are arranged into a box shape and secured with rivets. Then it's time to secure the entire box with welds. And that's where Matco's latest innovation comes into play. To speed up production, Matco has added this 3-segmented robot for all the intricate welding needed for the Revel toolboxes.
The other thing that we've been able to do is go into a 3D space. Like you see, the robot is able to go into areas that we weren't ever previously able to do or able to weld before. And with this new MIG technology, it is stronger than our resistance welding technology.
It now takes just 7.5 minutes to weld a toolbox. Now, even at that accelerated pace, there's another great benefit to this robot. It has not replaced any workers.
Once the new robotic co-worker has finished his 7.5-minute welding job, the newly assembled Revel box is off to be cleaned in the 140-foot-long shower that preps it for powder coating. It emerges out of the water-soaked tunnel completely clean of any surface contaminants. Our box then turns into the powder coating area to get a spray of Matco Fire Red powder. Then it's off to the 400-degree oven and 50 feet of winding hot tunnels that will completely cure the powder to the box.
It emerges to cool for a few minutes and then move on to the final assembly area where all the necessary hardware, including casters, handles, and chrome-plated Matco bling, are added.
And then our box is finished, prepped for shipping, and then finally sent off to us here in Nashville.
With all the challenges we've had through this process, I have been able to witness in the 2 years an absolute growth in this entire organization. Not just the Jamestown Toolbox plant, but also in all of Matco Tools. And that is very pleasing.
Good.
It's taken us down new paths, it's taught us new things. We use those as our fuel moving forward to challenge ourselves even more and to push the envelope on how we can improve the quality of our product. So it is truly a passion, a fuel for us to move into a direction to where this product is, bar none, the best toolbox built.
We gotta say, we love our new toolbox.